Today we're going to talk about context clues. Our learning target says, I can use context to determine the meaning of unknown words. Context clues. Ask questions to figure out the meaning of a word you do not know. Then look for clues to answer your questions. The clues are called context clues. Fill the pitcher with milk. If we were unsure about what the word pitcher meant, we could look for these clues in the sentence. Fill and milk could be good clues to help us understand what the word pitcher is. Let's look at some examples. We are helpful when we rake leaves. Raking leaves would be a helpful thing to do. That could be a context clue to help us determine the meaning of that unknown word. Number 2, candles, flashlights, and lamps illuminated the dark room. Illuminated may be a word that you're unfamiliar with. Dark could help us think about those context clues and determine the meaning of that word. Number 3, I am always amused by Rory's funny drawings. If we're unsure about the word amused, funny drawings could be good context clues to help us decide what that word means.